Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about Amaryllis. They're so grand, so fabulous, so scary with those big hollow stems. Sometimes once they bloom out, the head is so heavy that they just bend over and break. And on top of that, you've got the curled ends, like celery. Now, 2 tips today. 1, go ahead and remove that end. Give it a cut. Then you have a nice, clean, ready to go end. But to prevent that from curling again, you need to put it in an opaque vessel. If it's clear and it's exposed to light, it's just going to curl again. So this one's going to curl. But if you cut it and then put it into an opaque vase where they can't see the light, it won't. It'll stay just fine. Now the second tip is when you're designing and you want to make sure that it's not going to bend and crack, go ahead and take a hyacinth stake. Just place that right down through the center. Then go ahead and add water. Fill that hollow stem up. And you can see the stick floats up. So how do you keep that in? It's where you take a little bit of cotton batting and just slide that right down on the inside. It plugs it so you don't have to worry about the water coming out, and it holds the stick in place. You want to make sure you place it in so you can't see it. And then you're ready to design. Now you know the pro technique for designing with Amaryllis.